Hey, epic day here. We got 1 week left. Let's get to it.
Oh my god!
There goes our dream. There goes our dream. Got the tire off.
Had to take the tire out.
We got it.
We gotta repair that. Couple 2x2s. And that. Not too bad. See what's up.
Alright, so what we're doing is we have our license plate here. So we're gonna cut out this big hole. So we're gonna put an outdoor shower under our license plate. It's gonna be a hidden outdoor shower. Just you wait, it's gonna look dope. Let's go put it in.
What's up, guys? We have a couple updates on where we're going after we finish our renovation. We are no longer going to Vegas, so we have picked a new destination, but we're not going to tell you guys yet. If you have an idea of what it is, leave it in the comments. It'd be fun to see if anyone guesses it, but we are going to be on our way somewhere very cool in just a couple weeks. Bessie is fully sealed now, so there is no water getting in here. She's fully insulated. We have our bed area pretty much done, so we could literally start living in here like right now and just kind of go hardcore with it. But we have a little bit more that we want to get done. Obviously a lot more to do, but before we set out to our vacation destination to rest and recover from all of our hard work, we have some more to do. So today we are going to be cutting the panels for the walls. You can see this one's still insulated and this one we just finished insulating. So we're going to cover all this stuff up and get some walls in here and then go from there. But I think it's looking really good. I feel like everything comes together, perfect timing, and we have learned so much in this process. We're basically tiny home builders now, so it's good practice for us for when we one day want to build a home. And just for now, it's been a super fun project. And again, big thank you to everyone who is excited for us and who has stopped by to say hi and who's, you know, leaving us really nice messages and cheering us on. So really appreciate you guys. It makes it so much more fun. So today, or I guess right now, I have my notebook, my pen, and the measuring tape, and I'm gonna draw out the dimensions for the walls so we can lay the panels down and cut them right out, and then just screw them right into these 2x2s. So it should be pretty easy. It should go relatively quick because the panels are 4 feet by 8 feet, which makes them nice and big to work with. And we'll be able to cover these walls up pretty quick, so come on.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, it's calling me.
What do you do?
I did my peaches down in Georgia. That's that shit. I get money from California.
Guys, look at our walls, look at our floor, look at our bed, and look at this panel. Look at the step we made. We are so proud of this step. Every time we step on here into Bessie, it's like, we did this. Look what we're doing. Look at all these cool things happening in here. Hey, babe.
Hey, man. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Good morning. We're gonna put in this insulation. The same stuff that we put in the cab on the floor and inside the doghouse. It is temperature
And heat proof.
and heat proof and fireproof.
I guess temperature and heat is the same thing.
Temperature, heat, and fire are all the same thing.
Oops. It's just good
And
stuff.
sound
Yep.
and water
Yep.
and temperature.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Let's do it.
Shining!
It is shiny.
Like in Moana, you know?
Uh-huh. I really know.
And this piece cost $45.
Yeah.
It's not cheap, but it works.
That's true.
And if times get tough, we can always use it as a blanket.
You're so precious.
I'm really tired. Everyone, it's been a really hard and long journey. And we're really happy that we're this far. There's a lot more to do. And I'm tired.
And she had a battle with allergies this
And I woke up with allergies, sneezing, and itchy throat. So. Time to work.
Let's get to it. Work.
You get me. I go to work.
I can't control it. My eyes are wide open. It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, We got this.
This is awesome, guys. We are in traffic and chilling. We're going to beach day. Our first trip out in Bessie to the beach. Let's look it away.
Guys, right now, we're chilling in Bessie. Ah! And we are not chilling in front of our house. No, no. We have taken her on a little test drive.
San Clemente.
San Clemente, baby. Is our parking spot. This is our view. We are literally on the sand right now. Oh, we made it! We did it! And not only is it a glorious holiday for the herbal plant marijuana, but it is also
Our anniversary.
our anniversary! We've been married for 1 year. Oh man. Check out this view one more time. You just can't beat it. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I think we did it. Can you hear the waves crashing? It smells like wood in here. It smells like a brand new home. I have my best friend here. Life is so good. Just soaking it in. This is unreal. I'm so proud of us.
Cause we made it.
Yeah.
Now I just wish we had our compost toilet.
Yeah. You have to go potty.
Yep. It just didn't. But there's
Oh,
a
man.
potty right there.
We didn't put in our compost toilet. But we will soon, and we'll show you guys exactly how we're doing it. So if you want to know, subscribe and watch the next video. Subscribe and watch the next video. Yo, yo.
Man, it didn't hurt.
Waiting for the battery, cause we forgot the battery. Forget the battery like all the time. We need tool belts. I might make it easier. Waiting for my baby to come. Babel!
Double balling it today.
What? He's had 2 highballs.
Hey everyone, chilling in our dome. Where our bed is, it's gonna be our lookout, you know what I mean? We can look all directions. It's pretty lit, man. Thanks for joining me. California, eh? How you feeling, my love?
Welcome to our room. This is Bill, guys. We'll be serious right now. I hope all of you can experience this as a one-year-old.
Looks like you're fighting him.
This one's a little trickier angle.
Getting out a lot of screws.
Yep.
We had to cut all of these. Epic did it. He cut all of these. And this one. Last one's always the most challenging. Fine, it can stay.
Yep.
If it wants to be here that bad.
Yeah, it's good. It's a cake.
Welcome to the family.